Okay, I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to get that nuts out of there. Don't really have good access to get to those at all. So, do my best to get into there, but it's going to be kind of rough. Not sure how I'm going to do that. So, we're going to attempt to do something. Let's see. Tripod set up here, huh? Not really. It's a bad tripod system. Can't really see much. But it's alright, I can't see much either. I'm doing a job. So I'm going to take the bolt off on this side and over here and try to figure it out. Let's see, more angle here on my camera. There we go. Better? Yep. Okay, what can we do to get in here? That I can do myself. A bunch of wiring inside of here. Let's see. I think these are too big to get in there. How about my nippers? Needle nose. It actually appears to be working. Yes, it is. Okay. So hold this for my legs. Wiring's in the way. Get it out of the way. Wiring's crispy. Crispy. Sharp. Sharp on your fingertips. Something just dropped. Uh-oh. Looks like the whole stud unscrewed. I didn't lose it either. The nut wasn't unscrewing, the stud unscrewed. A little bolt right here. Bolt comes out. And now it's holding it in there now. Don't know. Something else. Something else is holding in there. Great. Right drive. Down over here, John. Oh. Wiring in here. That sucker was just a wiring hole in it. There's definitely wiring being held on there. could be it. Things. Okay, wiring's out of the way. Kind of. Pivot point in there somewhere. Can't see in there. Can't really lay this thing up on the edge, it'll bring down the parts. And then when the fender hits, you can't feel it. Don't know. Crap. No way of supporting this thing to find out. Not without risking breaking something. Damn it. Welded together. Damn it. Shot my leg. Damn it. Ah, fuck. Keep a hole in my leg. Yep, there, a screw came off. Screw from the inside. I ripped one of the screws out. There's the other screw. I just ripped the threads out of that. Okay, it's off. Didn't help those threads any, I'll guarantee you that. Okay, there's another part here. I don't know how to get it apart. Little hatch cover here. If I had to guess, you probably got to take all the bolts out, and then the whole sub piece will come out then. Instead of doing like I did, I ripped out the one by stripping the two screws out. Which was not what we wanted to do. Okay. Put 50 pounds of weight there. Okay. Oh, back does not approve of that. Okay, I am going to guess that you take all the studs out, the other part falls apart. If not, it's going to be stripping out 2 screws for each arm. And I don't know how we're going to fix that down the road. All I know is if I leave it together, it's going to get broken. So do this. Continue. Figures this one damn stud's coming out, or the nut's coming off, not the stud. It's actually worse. Alright. Hang in there. Take the load off the screw so you don't force it, strip it. Okay, that one's off. Now I got the stud down here to deal with. Nice to have something to put this in the center of, but nice bucket would be nice of some type. There we go. Ah, success. Came out. Now we know what we're looking for. There's some screw heads in here somewhere. Rat missed the one in there, that's for sure. No screw heads though. Alright. I'm going to continue butchering this. Support this as best you can. Not exactly an easy way of doing that. fingers in there, that's for sure. Alright, that one came out. This one's already loose. Okay, that one's done. I hurt my legs. 3 more to go. Ooh, a tight one. First one is tight. Another one. Tension on that one. Oh, look at that there. Yeah, that one's out. And we'll screw by hand on this one. Timed it. Okay, that one's off. One left. That one's not loose. Loose but not loose. Oh, there it is right there. Gotta get just right. Okay, if we're lucky, crown piece will come up. Oh, look at that, it did come up.